A single day does not define your life, but over time those days become everything. In school, calculus is often reduced to symbols and equations, but at its core it asks a different question. How do small pieces add up to something significant? Imagine tracking something simple, your energy, your effort, your focus, not at one single moment, but continuously over time. Calculus takes all of those tiny, almost invisible moments and adds them together, and what you get is something called the area under the curve. It's not a single point, it's not a peak or a trough, it's the total accumulation of everything that's happened along the way. And in life, we always remember the highlights, the big wins, the big losses, moments that felt intense. But those moments are not your life. They're just snapshots. Your life is in fact everything in between. The quiet mornings, the distracted afternoons, the days when you showed up even when nothing felt like it was changing, the days when you didn't show up. All of it counts. Even the parts that feel fairly insignificant, even the parts that you forget. Because over time, those small moments don't stay small, they accumulate over and over again. And slowly, they form the shape of your life. Not the best day, not the worst day, but the pattern, the consistency, the baseline that you return to again and again and again. And that is what defines you. Not bursts of intensity, but accumulation. And that's why this idea can be a bit unsettling, because it means that your life is not built on what you do occasionally. It's built on what you do repeatedly, without thinking, the habits that you barely even notice, the standards that you quietly accept, the effort that you bring when no one's really watching. That's your curve. And whether you realize it or not, it's always being drawn. So if you're waiting for some sort of breakthrough moment, a single decision, a turning point that changes everything, you might be looking in the wrong place, because the transformation does not live in peaks. It lives in the accumulation beneath them. In the ordinary days you thought that didn't matter. In the quiet repetitions that you almost forgot. Your life is not a highlight reel. It's the area under your daily curve. And the shape of that curve is being built right now.